Welcome. We are following this book. Today's lecture on problem set A, 3A problem. Divine Designs Company. Divine Designs Company on June 1, Cindy Godfrey started Divine Designs Company, a company that provides craft opportunities by investing $12,000 cash in the business. Following are the assets and liabilities of the companies at June 30. The revenues and expenses for the month of June. So see here we have some financial statements items, cash, account receivable, supplies and so on. Cindy made no additional investment in June but withdrew $1,300 in cash for personal use during the month. Instructions: A. Prepare an income statements, owner's equity statements for the month of June and a balance sheet at June 30. A balance sheet. Okay. This is instruction A. And instruction B. Prepare an income statements and owner's equity statement for June, assuming the following data are not included above. 9,900 of service were performed and billed but not collected at June 30, and two, $150 of gasoline expenses was incurred but not paid. Okay. So requirement A, just we have to prepare income statement first. So we know that in our income statement, just we need our revenues and expenses. So according to this question, we have revenue, service revenue only, and expenses. We have 4 expenses: advertising expenses, this amount; rent expenses, this amount; gasoline expenses, this amount; and utility expenses, this amount. Thus, so we know income statement, basic matter, revenue less expenses. Thus, so according to our answer, we can show this matter: income statement, Divine Designs Company income statement for the month ended. Just when we prepare our income statement, that means we need a duration. That means for the month ended June 30, 2018. This is for 1 month. Okay. So here service revenue, this figure 6,500. You can look here. This is 6,500. Number one. Number second, just this is our expenses item. We have 4 expenses. These 4 expenses. That means according to question, we have these 4 expenses. Okay. So these 4 expenses will be less from this revenue, and then we get net income for the month, $4,050. Now second, owner's equity statement. We know that in our owner's equity statements, just we need investments, then net income and drawing. So according to this question, just we have owner's equity statement. This is Divine Designs Company owner's equity statement for the month ended June 30, 2018. Also, the owner's equity statement is prepared for a particular time. Here 1 month. That means here the June 1 to June 30. This is for the month ended. That means we are preparing our owner's equity statement this uh, place or this date. That means during the month of June. Okay, for the month ended June. So here owner's equity statement, Cindy Goldfree Capital June 1, 12,000. According to question, we have this 12,000 investment, and here we have got 4,550 our net profit. The net profit will be added with this figure. That means capital, opening capital, and this is our total figure. That means capital add net income, and then less drawing. According to question, we have drawing item. This is the drawing item, 1,300. So this is our drawing items. So in total, this is the Cindy Godfrey capital on June 30. That means this is the ending capital. The ending capital is needed to prepare our balance sheet. Okay. So now we will prepare our balance sheet. In balance sheet, we have two items: asset equal to liability plus owner's equity. So here, asset, we have asset, cash asset, account receivable is our asset, supplies, equipment. We have four assets. So this is the four assets: cash, account receivable, supplies, and equipment. So this is our total assets. Okay, and then we have liabilities. So we have two types of liabilities: notes payable and accounts payable. So this is our liability sides, notes payable and accounts payable. Thus this is our total liabilities. And then very important matter, thus owner's equity statement we need to consider. That means the closing capital. This is our closing capital, $14,750. You can see here, this is the $14,750. This is owner's equity capital on June 30. That means this is the closing capital. So total liabilities, this is total liabilities, and this is owner's equity. So here total liabilities and owner's equity, this figure, and this figure and this figure must be equal, must be homogeneous, must be same. Okay, so I think everybody is clear up to this balance sheet. So again we can show this matter. This is our income statement. We prepare income statement for a particular time. Here particular time is 1 month, and month ended we are preparing. And second, just owner's equity statement, we also prepare the owner's equity statement for a particular time. That means particular time here 1 month. Okay, but balance sheet we prepare a particular date. This is the particular date. Okay, that means particular date only June 30. What is the position of the company? Just we know the matter. Now second question, this one, prepare income statement. We are considering two items: 9,000 service were performed but not collected. So this 9,000 will be added with this service revenue. So this is our service revenue. We must add it, this amount, with this service revenue. And number second, 150 of gasoline expenses was incurred but not paid. Incurred gasoline. So we have gasoline 200 and another 150 will be added with this figure. Okay, then we prepare another new income statement for this requirement. That means requirement B. Okay, so here look this income statement, the Divine Designs Company income statement for the month ended June 30, 2018. Okay, service revenue, this figure, and this is new figure. So this will be total figure, and advertising expense as it is, rent expense as it is previous, and gasoline expense just added this figure. So we are getting this figure, and utility expense as it is. So as it is means just it was previous same, 500, 1,600 and 150. So this is 500, 1,600 and 550, and just addition only this figure 200 and 150. So this is our total expenses. The revenue minus expenses, we are getting net income. So net income will be added with our opening capital. So this is our opening capital June 12,000. You know, according to question we have this 12,000. Fine. So this is our net income. I think clear to everyone, this net income. Just we are now getting the new net income from the income statement. So this is the net income. So this is our total amount, and drawing as it is previous. That means we drew 1,300. So this is our drawing, and we are getting Cindy Gold Ferry capital on June 30, 15,500. I think everyone is clear. Thanks. Our next lecture on problem set A, problem 4A, matrix consulting. Thanks.